In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a newsletter in Mailchimp. So first log into your Mailchimp account, then in the left menu, click on the Create button. Then under Regular Email, click on Design Email. Then next choose either a pre-designed template or start with a basic layout. Mailchimp templates make it easy to organize your newsletter content. Now here use the drag and drop builder to add sections like headlines, images, articles, and buttons. Make sure that you keep your text short and include links so readers can learn more. Next is preview your newsletter and send a test email to yourself. And once everything looks good, click on the send button. But first, make sure that you save this template first by clicking on the save button. Then next in the to section, select the audience you want to send the newsletter to. You can send it to your entire list or choose a specific segment. And once everything looks good, click on the send button at the top right, or you can also schedule to deliver it to your subscribers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!